Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be working on my project pan. I feel like I've been using most of these products in here, but there are a few that have been getting neglected because obviously during these 100 days, I need to be testing out more than just this. So today I was like, the only way that I can properly work on a full face of this is to make it into its own video. So that's what we're doing today. I already primed my face off camera with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost City Shield. Love this stuff. And also off camera, I did my eyebrows with the Brow Definer by Anastasia Beverly Hills in medium brown. So those two things are already on my face. So we can basically move on to face. I'm excited because today I actually get to do a full face with this stuff. This is also my first time using a beauty blender in like 2 months because all I've been using is my Real Technique sponge, which is visibly dirty. Actually, this beauty sponge, it's so hard to see because my mirror is like way over there. Before I started filming and before I ate breakfast today, I had some under eye masks on, so that felt amazing under my eyes. So Wednesday night, I edited all day long and I was exhausted by the end of the day. So I went to sleep at 8 p.m., which is unheard of for me, but I couldn't stay up. So then I'm like, yes, finally, like I'm gonna get back into a super good schedule. So last night I lost track of time. I was super sleepy around 9, but I forced myself to stay up a little longer because I wanted to watch something on TV. You know, I'm like, I can't be this boring. I can't just be on my computer all day. So then I started watching The Wilds on Amazon Prime Video, and you guys, it's actually good. I thought it wasn't going to be, but it was a TikTok recommendation and I was like, well, let me check it out, and I was hooked. You guys, by the time I realized, I was like 5 episodes in and it was 2 in the morning. I was so upset with myself because I'm like, oh my god, I just screwed myself over again. Thankfully, we have a super great alarm clock. If you don't have this alarm clock that doesn't wake you up every morning at the same exact time, then what are you doing with yourself? Because you need this alarm clock. Get you a German Shepherd and set it for 9 in the morning every single day, no matter what. Sometimes 8. And sometimes 7. Get you one of those. They're very effective. But yeah, my dog is the best alarm clock ever. And it's the cutest alarm clock. I do not mind waking up to that little face in my face every day. Literally, I wake up to his face, to him looking at me like this. But sometimes he doesn't even have to go outside and he just wakes us up because he misses us. Like, how amazing is this dog? He mostly does it to George now that George is spending a lot of time at home, but today he did it to me. That's because his daddy wasn't listening to him, so he came over to me. Instead of using my sponge for my under eyes, I'm gonna use this brush. I actually thought this brush was missing, but it reappeared when I washed all my brushes. It was just hiding in there really well. What the hell is going on? What is going on? Literally, my foundation won't stick right here and right here. Is it the beauty blender? But this never happened to me before. Like, this side looks fine, but it's just this side right here. It literally won't take any product right there. And it's all caking up right here. What is going on? I feel like I need to go wash my face. Even though I did the same exact thing I do before filming, I feel like I should go remove all of this and come back. Because that's not it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's not it right there. This side looks kind of fine. I kind of fixed this side. But this side of my cheek just won't take any product. I think I'll be right back because I can't do this. Okay, I'm back. I just washed my entire face. It was so hard to get around my eyebrows because that's one thing I'm not redoing. I'm just not. I even went as far as to wet my Real Techniques brush because I have a feeling, even though it's never happened to me before with my beauty blender, that it was the beauty blender. I'm gonna speed you through the face part again and we'll be right back. Now let's move on to contour. Something is definitely going on with my cheeks. It's not as bad as it was before, but they're just not grabbing onto product. That was so weird. That's never happened to me before, not that I can think of, especially while filming. Okay, I'm also gonna use this highlight right here. I'm gonna pop it right there. Just a little. This is just such a different type of highlight. It's like very powdery. Not in like a super bad way. I need to do my blush before I do my highlight. Not in like a bad way, but it's just like a different texture and a different finish for sure. I'll put some on my cheek. I'm gonna blend it out. It's not bad, but you know, it's not my favorite highlight. Let's just move on to eyeshadow. So we have the Dominique Cosmetics Latte palette here. I'm gonna go into this shade called Caramel right here. These are super soft eyeshadows. They have crazy kickback. This palette is the one product that's getting the most neglected in my project pan because there's just other eyeshadows that I'm using, but it feels so good to use something that you know you love. Are you guys working on a project pan as well? That would be so cool if once a week we can work on our project pan together. And you guys can let me know in the comments what you're finishing up, or even tag me on Instagram or send me a DM. There's a few of you that connect with me on my Instagram stories and I love it so much. I want to go for like a super basic, very me look. So I'm gonna go in with pumpkin spice right over here with that same brush. Just to warm it up a little more. Oh my god, yes. This is what I was looking for. Okay, this is already looking really blended, but I grabbed a brand new brush and I'm just going over both of these shades. This is why I'm scared to go live, you guys, because I don't think, I mean, you see the cuts, but I don't think you guys understand how much I actually cut off or how many sentences I restart, because sometimes my tongue tries to be faster than my brain and they just can't keep up with each other. But I'm really thinking about it. I'm thinking about going live maybe on a Saturday morning or like on a Saturday night. More ideally on a Saturday morning, because on a Monday morning everybody's getting ready for work. I don't know. But I feel like way more people are online at nighttime. So you guys let me know, and please tell me if you would tune into my lives, because I feel like that makes me so nervous. But having you guys that constantly watch my videos, having you guys there, I feel like would ease my nervousness a little bit, because I talk to you guys in the comments all the time. So I just feel like I know you guys to a certain level. As to if I'm talking to like complete random strangers, I don't know. Last week on Saturday evening, I did do a live test and there were a few of you that tuned in even after the live was over. So I was on for like what, a minute. You guys let me know. Actually, should I do a poll? Do those still exist? Right here up in the eye. If they do, I'm gonna leave a poll and you can anonymously vote if you would want a Saturday morning live or a Saturday evening live. Or you can just go down in the comment section and you can let me know. You might have a great idea and I want to know it. When would be your best time to watch? And obviously I can't accommodate to everybody, but the live will stay up and you can watch it at any moment. So please let me know. I really do want to do lives, but if you guys aren't there, I don't want it. Yeah, I don't think I like this highlight with this palette. It's just too powdery, like in a bad way. I don't know, there's just something about it I don't like. It looks fine on camera, but up close it looks a little crazy. And that's so much better. It's just the sheen. I think I like the finish of this better than that vanilla cream. And then I'm gonna go in with hazelnut right here, even though I think it's a little too dark for what I'm going for. But let's just try it just a little bit to deepen up this outer V. You guys, I really want to take down my Christmas decorations today. but I don't think George is gonna want to. Like, it's what? Mid-January already. And he still doesn't want to take down that tree. I don't blame him, it's beautiful, but what if I surprise him with a lamp? That would be so funny. I actually think I want to do this espresso right here. Not in the center, but not in the outer V. I love when I have a vision for my makeup and it comes together just as I envision. So I'm actually gonna speed you through doing my mascara and popping on some lashes because I still have to cut these down. For today, I'm gonna be using my new favorite lip combo. Well, actually, this isn't my favorite lip liner, so maybe this could go into my project pan. It's just kind of tough. I do want to try the medium and the deep versions of these. Alright guys, and that is the full look using items only from my project pan, and I think it came out so good, especially the eyeshadow. I feel like I could have gone a little darker in the outer corner, but that's okay. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.